When it comes to smart home devices, Echo Glow is a standout product that combines convenience, fun, and functionality. This voice-controlled multicolor smart lamp works seamlessly with Alexa, offering a unique, customizable lighting experience for every moment. Whether you're setting the mood for a movie night, creating a peaceful atmosphere for meditation, or using it as a visual timer to help with routines, Echo Glow has everything you need to brighten your day and night. Introducing Echo Glow, a smarter way to light your world. Echo Glow is not just any lamp. It's a smart lighting solution that offers a wealth of features designed to enhance your home's atmosphere. Compatible with any Alexa device, it allows you to control its color and brightness with nothing but your voice. With a simple and sleek design, Echo Glow fits seamlessly into any room, providing vibrant lighting that can change with your mood or needs. What makes Echo Glow even more unique is its ability to change colors based on routines, activities, or even specific commands. You can use it as a timer, set the perfect color for gaming, or even help wake yourself up with its gentle light changes. No more fiddling with switches or complicated setups. Echo Glow brings intuitive control into your home with ease. Key features of Echo Glow. A smart lamp like no other. 1. Voice control with Alexa. One of the key selling points of Echo Glow is its seamless integration with Alexa. Simply ask Alexa to change the color or brightness of your Echo Glow lamp, and it will do so instantly. This hands-free feature adds incredible convenience, allowing you to control your lighting without lifting a finger. 2. Multicolor options for every mood. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or winding down for bed, Echo Glow offers a variety of vibrant color options that you can easily switch between. From warm whites to vibrant reds, blues, and greens, you can adjust the colors based on your preference or activity. This feature is particularly great for creating the perfect ambiance in any room. 3. Perfect for routines. Color changing timer. Echo Glow's color changing timer is a game changer. Use the light as a visual cue for specific tasks, such as cooking, working out, or even waking up. As the colors shift, you'll get a gentle visual reminder that helps you stay on track with your routine. This is especially useful for setting reminders for kids or cooking in the kitchen, without needing to check the clock constantly. 4. Create and choose lighting for various activities. Echo Glow is perfect for adding an extra layer of fun and immersion during activities like gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. You can sync the lighting to match the tone or intensity of what you're doing. Imagine having the light fade in and out as you're watching a movie, or matching the lights to the beat of your favorite songs. Echo Glow enhances your experience with its dynamic color options. 5. Easy setup and stress-free integration. Echo Glow prides itself on being stress-free when it comes to setup. There's no complicated wiring or tedious configurations, it's all plug and play. Pairing it with your Alexa device is a breeze, and you'll be up and running in no time, ready to customize your home's lighting experience. How Echo Glow can enhance your home. Real-life uses. 1. Wake up gently with color changes. Imagine waking up to soft, gradually changing light instead of the jarring sound of a traditional alarm clock. Echo Glow can be part of your morning routine, with its colors gradually shifting from a soft blue to a bright, energizing yellow. This helps signal the start of your day in a gentle, soothing way. 2. Cooking and kitchen timers made easy. Echo Glow is ideal for anyone who spends time in the kitchen. Use it to time your meals by setting a color-changing timer. When the light shifts, you'll know exactly when your dish is ready. The color-changing feature ensures you won't forget about your meal while you're in the middle of something else. Why you should consider buying Echo Glow? Echo Glow offers a practical, customizable, and fun lighting experience that will enhance your home. Whether you're looking for a smart lamp that's easy to control or a way to make your home more dynamic, Echo Glow checks all the boxes. It's affordable, easy to use, and adds an extra layer of convenience and fun to your daily routines. Moreover, with Alexa integration, you can effortlessly control Echo Glow with your voice, making it an ideal choice for those who love smart home devices. Plus, the colorful lighting options and simple setup make Echo Glow a great choice for families, students, and anyone looking to improve their living space without the hassle of complicated tech. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.